Welcome back to Global Fit Guide, your hub for health and wellness insights. Before we dive into today's exploration of creatine, a quick reminder to subscribe to Global Fit Guide if you haven't already. We're your go-to source for health, fitness, and nutrition insights. Now, let's get into the fascinating world of creatine and uncover what happens inside your body when you introduce this powerful supplement. The mechanism of creatine. Let's start by understanding the mechanics of creatine. When you take a creatine supplement, it enters your bloodstream and is transported to the muscles. Once inside the muscle cells, creatine combines with phosphate to form creatine phosphate. This process is crucial for the rapid production of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which serves as the primary energy source for muscle contractions during short bursts of high-intensity activity. The positive side, benefits of creatine. Creatine's appeal extends beyond immediate energy boosts. Emerging research suggests its potential role in neuroprotection and cognitive benefits, showcasing a broader spectrum of advantages that go beyond the gym. Mitochondrial function. Creatine is thought to enhance mitochondrial function, contributing to improved cellular energy production and overall vitality. Brain health. Preliminary studies suggest that creatine might have neuroprotective properties, potentially aiding in conditions related to cognitive decline. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some research points to creatine's anti-inflammatory effects, which could be beneficial for overall health and recovery. The cautionary side, considerations against creatine use. Turning our attention to potential concerns associated with creatine. Individual responses. Individuals may respond differently to creatine. Some may experience significant benefits, while others might not notice as much impact. Quality matters. The efficacy of creatine can be influenced by the type and quality of the supplement. Choosing a reputable source is crucial. Long-term effects. Limited long-term studies make it essential to approach creatine with a consideration for potential effects over extended periods. Staying informed and making choices. In essence, the decision to use creatine is nuanced and should be based on a thorough understanding of individual health, fitness goals, and the quality of the supplement chosen. Always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your unique needs. This concludes today's exploration of creatine. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay engaged with Global Fit Guide for more in-depth insights into health, fitness, and nutrition. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.